Okay guys, it's me Imad. So today we are going to learn about how to use a simple push button within the tinkercad simulator. So how we can do that? First of all, we need to write tinkercad in Google, because tinkercad is an online simulator and compiler, so you are not supposed to install it out. We just used to visit this tinkercad.com and it will lead us to the circuit environment. So this is our tinkercad website. Now we can click on create, and here you can see circuits option. Click on that. And now we have opened our circuit environment. Now you can see that we have a lot of components on our right hand side. So we will take first our push button. This is our push button, and we will take one LED and simple 3-volt coin cell. Okay, now you can see that. Okay, we can take some 2 LEDs. Yes, we can. We can change the color of these LEDs if we want. Now you can see that we have 2 LEDs, and now we are connecting their pins, their anode pins with each other. Okay, and cathode pins with each other. Now we will connect the anode of one LED, which is actually common anode for both. We will connect it with the terminal 2B of a push button, and this is terminal 1B and terminal 1B. So we will connect it with the batteries positive. Okay, so because our push button is just like a simple switch, and it's terminal 1B, and whenever we will press this, okay, this button, then what will happen? Terminal 1B and terminal 2B will become short. Okay, and now we will connect the negative side of the battery with the cathodes of the both LEDs, and here I will, okay, I have adjusted. Now we will start our simulation, and whenever I will press the push button, now you can see that both of my LEDs will become on with the help of this push button. So in this way you can use this push button as a switch. So hopefully you got the concept. So thanks for visiting our channel, and don't forget to subscribe.